Hey guys, welcome back to Disturbing Kreationz Auto, and today we're doing a little bit of maintenance on one of our 986s. So I haven't had this car out for a while, and I just like to go over everything if I haven't drove a car for a while or I was working on it in the shop. Well, I noticed that one of the brake lights in this rear light for your 986 and 996, the 911, are both the exact same light, but this does work for your 987 Caymans and some of your other 944, 924, you just might have to take the light panel out a little differently. So I'm going to turn the light on so you can see which bulb is out and what it looks like. And by buying a 2-pack of $5 bulbs will save you a $100 ticket. And if you go to a small repair shop or a dealership and they put one light in for you, it's going to be $125 because that's what 1 hour of service is. And they charge a minimum of 1 hour of service for any service. So $5 in 5 minutes and give this video a like, or $125 and maybe a $100 police ticket as well. Damien, I think I'm going to give you a like and check out all your Porsche videos and save myself some money. Let's get right on. Alright, so thank God we just did a video that released 2 days ago on this, how to put the new pistons in, so you don't have to keep holding this trunk up, and you can actually do things and get your groceries and stuff in and out of here yourself. So if you want to see that video, look at our Porsche playlist and you'll find all kind of things on how to fix your vehicle. Now check this out. You see this light is on, it's nice and bright, but this light is not on and it's not nice and it's not bright. Well, we're going to change the bulb in that right now and show you how. So first thing we're going to do is you're going to lift up part of your back panel here. Okay, so there's a little cloth back here, and you can pull that cloth off rather easy. It might have like one plastic piece. I'll show you in another car what it looks like. I had to come over and get in this other Porsche because it's still got all the interior in here to show you how to take this panel out. So there's not one on this side, I was working on it, but you can see right over here on this side, right? So, sorry, a little plastic right here on the screw. There could be like a little plastic like this one right here. I don't remember because I always take them off. I really don't care too much about the trunk. So I just kind of take that off and take this off as well. It's very easy to take this piece off. I just leave it off even with the trunk. No one looks in my trunk and looks up there to see my light. And it's easy to get to. Then once you reinstall the light, put this back on, line it up with the screw again like this. There's one on this side, there's one on this side, and then right here will be a plastic tab. But make sure you put this piece underneath so it looks all nice and nice like that, and then there you go. But right here there's a little tab, and you push this little tab up and you pull this piece back, and that is all of your bulbs right there. So that will be connected to this wire. So you can leave the wire in if you're not taking it anywhere, or you can disconnect the wire and bring the whole bulb assembly out. Now you're going to look for whichever one is not working, or whichever one the filament on the inside is broken, and you're going to take that bulb out and replace it with exactly the same bulb. And then whatever bulbs you need. So I think it's this bulb. We're going to replace this bulb. So all we're going to do is unscrew the bulb, push down, unscrew the bulb, pull the bulb out, put the new bulb back in. You're not going to touch any of the stuff. Then what we're going to do is so it's got to go in this side first, in the inside first, and then you'll hear it kind of click into place, and then you'll hear it click into place and you can't pull it back out. Now the only way you can pull it back out is to press up on this and pinch it back out. Then if you want, you can put your cover back on, and then remember to stick this back in, right? And then we're going to check and see if the bulbs work. And there it is. You see the two glimmers, the light on this side right here and right here. Sorry I didn't do it in the dark, guys, but I broke my thumb and I have to only work during the day. And then you see now the glimmer here, see the light, and then the light here. So now I changed those bulbs and those lights work. So real quick, make some, do some little maintenance yourself, and you can save hundreds of dollars like this, guys.